Lucia Montour, and I'm going to be your nurse today doing a respiratory assessment on you. Can I have your name, please?
Josh McCullough.
Okay, I'm going to wash my hands and then we'll get started. Okay, I'm going to be starting on the posterior thorax, that's in the back. Just let me know if you feel any pain anytime during this assessment. Okay, any pain?
No.
Any pain?
No.
Any pain here?
No.
Okay, say 99.
99.
99.
99.
Again.
99.
Okay, I'm going to have you take a deep breath. Okay, good. And I'm going to palpate. Okay, could I have you cross your arms across your chest, and I'm going to listen to you breathe. Take a deep breath. Okay, again. Again. And again. Okay, for assessment purposes, I'm going to hit the landmarks to where I would have you take a deep breath. Okay, good. Now I'm going to check for diaphragmatic excursion. So I'm going to put my hand here and have you take a deep breath. Okay, and I'm going to feel for a change, palpate. Okay, take a deep breath. Okay, good. Now I'm going to percuss for your kidneys. Just let me know if you feel any pain. Any pain there?
No.
Any pain?
No.
Okay, good. Now I'm going to do the same thing in the front. Any pain?
No.
Here?
No.
Here?
No.
Okay, say 99.
99.
99.
99.
Again.
99.
Okay, I'm going to palpate, just like I did in the back. Okay, take a deep breath. Okay, good. Now I'm going to listen to your heart. Good. And I'm also going to listen with the other side of my stethoscope, the bell. Okay, good. Could I have you lay down, please? I'm going to palpate those 5 spots. Okay. I'm going to listen again. And I'm going to listen with my bell also. Okay, could I have you lay over this way on your left side? Just a little. And I'm going to listen to that. Okay.